In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the full feature breakdown and walkthrough of ClickUp versus Monday.com as we delve into the landscape of 2025. These platforms represent two of the most powerful options in what's now commonly called the workOS arena, each with its own approach to becoming the central hub for your work. Let's start by discussing the core philosophy and user experience of each platform. ClickUp aims to be the ultimate all-in-one workspace with unparalleled customization options. It's truly a blank canvas, perfect for power users and teams looking to build their systems from scratch. However, this level of customization brings a steep learning curve, and the interface can sometimes feel overwhelming due to its vast feature set and myriad of options. On the other hand, Monday.com focuses on visual simplicity and ease of use. It's designed to be intuitive and engaging for everyone on the team, not just for project managers. Its clean, color-coded interface with straightforward drag-and-drop functionality ensures a gentle learning curve and facilitates quick adoption. Now, let's explore the features and customization opportunities of each platform. ClickUp truly shines in this area. It provides an immense level of deep customization, allowing you to create workflows with custom statuses, fields, and automations. It also offers a wide range of native features, such as docs, whiteboards, mind maps, and goals, which can reduce your need for other tools. Notably, ClickUp's free plan is quite generous, offering unlimited users and tasks, an attractive option for many teams. In contrast, while Monday.com is also very capable, its customization is more attuned to visual appeal and workflow management within its board-based structure. Even though it does offer automations and integrations, these can be more limited compared to the advanced options ClickUp provides, and essential features like Gantt and calendar views are often locked behind higher-tier plans. When it comes to reporting and analytics, ClickUp provides deep, highly granular reporting capabilities. With customizable dashboards, you have access to a wealth of data, allowing you to create detailed reports on task progress, team workload, and project health. This is particularly valuable for project managers and executives who need comprehensive insights. On the flip side, Monday.com's reporting is visually appealing and easy to digest at a glance. Ideal for teams that prefer visual summaries, its dashboards are customizable but may lack the extensive detail and advanced filtering options offered by ClickUp. Finally, let's touch on pricing and value. ClickUp is generally considered to offer better value, particularly its free forever plan, which is a powerful offering for small teams and individuals, with unlimited users and tasks. Conversely, Monday.com's pricing model is perceived as less flexible, requiring a minimum of 3 users on paid plans, which can make it more expensive for solo users or very small teams. Additionally, many core features are locked behind higher-priced tiers. Ultimately, if you're a power user, a part of a large team with complex workflows, or a growing business needing an all-in-one platform, ClickUp may be the tool for you. It offers ultimate flexibility and control, even if it comes with a steeper learning curve. However, if your team values simplicity, visual intuitiveness, and a quick setup, Monday.com could be the perfect fit, especially for creative, marketing, and non-technical teams seeking a powerful yet uncomplicated project management tool.